Yeah, so today we're starting a very basic breakfast or brunch. We're gonna use some 2-minute noodles and some Bull Brand savory mince in a pot, and I've already boiled the water. The water is ready to go, and yeah, let's mix everything together and see what happens. It shouldn't be too bad. I think we will be able to survive, so let's do it. So Alma is just preparing the 2-minute noodles to go into the pot. Once it's in there, we'll pour some water on it, boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes just to make sure that it's nice and ready to eat. And then we'll add the mince. Right, so I just strained the excess water off the spaghetti or the 2-minute noodles. Just opening up the can, dropping the contents in there if it wants to. And then just going to stir everything through, warm it up, and then it will be ready for brunch. With grace being said, time to dig in.